Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jayzilla, and welcome back to the channel. Today we got a special review. I got in the limited edition Target exclusive, the Hot Wheels Mario Kart Rainbow Track Set. Super cool set that I did come in today. It does come with two characters over here. You do have Mario as well as Boo. You do have the track set, and you can configure the track set in two ways. You can have it with the two turns that you do have over here, like this track right here, or you can kind of do like a drag race straight down the line, like this track over here. So I'm going to be building this out today, doing a kind of like a time lapse, and then giving the reviews of the characters and the track itself, and then have my daughters play with it and see how they like it. So sit back, relax, and let's get to it. Alrighty, y'all. Now that everything is outside of the box, here's everything displayed on the floor. You do have about 30 plus pieces. So it kind of looks like an easy build. The pieces are really big. They snap in together. You do need some batteries for some of the some of the parts, like this right here, as well as the starting line. So we'll get to that in just a bit. But yeah, let's get this all set up and put it together, and we'll go from there.
And off the rip, you do need a screwdriver as well as three AAA batteries, actually two sets. So six in total with batteries to put into these two over here. So grab your screwdriver, grab some batteries, and let's get to it. So once you have your batteries in, let's check it out. Super cool. And the next one, you do have a button right here in the back. Alrighty, guys. So super easy. Everything snaps on. I'm about a quarter done already. So super easy build so far. So 10 out of 10 on ease of building. We're about 70% done. Again, super easy to build. Everything does snap on. We do have a couple more parts before we're done. So let's get to it, and I'll show you the final results in just a bit.
The track is finally completed. Just like how it's shown in the box, this track is actually really beautiful. The colors, how big it is. I can't wait to get the characters on here so we can start racing. But before we do that, let's get some detailed shots of the track as well as the characters, and let's go race. Since there was only two characters that came in the box, I did also buy an extra pack of characters on Amazon. Super cheap for this. I think it was about 20 bucks. It did come in four more characters. You get Wario, Toad, Yoshi, and Diddy Kong. So let's race these in just a second, and let's take a look at them. Alrighty, y'all, let's take a closer look at the track. So I forgot this character's name. You have to press that green button and it does count you down. And once it turns green, you do hit this lever over here and it does release the character. So let's check that out. So one thing that's super cool, it does go down through the rainbow tunnel, goes to the stars, goes through turn 1, down the rainbow road, down to turn 2. What's super cool about the track, you do have some little toads all around the track as well too. And then you do hit these boxes over here, the question mark boxes, and it does trigger some traps, as you guys can see over here. So, Boo was stopped by a banana peel, or your character could get stopped by a bomb, a thunderbolt as well too. And then let me see if I can trigger the shells as well too. So you see the shells over there. And then once triggered or stopped, they do pass down over here. You hit a lever, and it does show you which lane wins. So super cool track, super fun. My kids love it. Let's take a look at them, playing with the track. Alrighty, so let's check it out one more time. And there you have it, guys. If you guys are thinking about buying it or on the fence, I would say get it.
So we did extend it to make the 8-foot track. It's pretty dang cool. I got my daughter here that's about to race some of the characters. So baby, whenever you're ready, go! Yay! So pretty dang cool, guys. I'd recommend. So if you made it this far in the video, you know I had to at least try the GTRs on here. So I got the Millennium Jade in lane 1. We got that orange in lane 2. We got this white and green one in lane 3. This white one with red 4. And you know we got to get Paul Walker Skyline on lane 5. All right, so let's see who wins this. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, Paul Walker for the win. Let's go. All righty, y'all. Take care and have a good night.